Hello guys, what is up? My name is Willfiveter and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another premiere vlog. We got invited to another premiere. It is the premiere for the Running Man movie starring Glen, Powell, Josh Brolin, Lee Pace, you would have seen mentioned in the New York Comic Con vlog last week, and we get to go down to London to be on the red carpet to hopefully get to meet these people. Josh Brolin is the main one for me, as I have my Sicario poster that I need to add him, Emily Blunt and David Kalulu, I think his name is, onto before it is complete. But then we have the Invincibles poster for Lee Pace that I picked up at New York Comic Con. We have my Batman The Dark Knight Trilogy poster for Glen Powell. Unfortunately, I did order a Baby Driver poster, but it's not come in time, so I don't have that for Edgar Wright. So we're going to try and get Edgar Wright, Colman, Domingo, and any of the other casts that show up on a Running Man poster. I know, also, before anyone says anything, yes, I am now blonde. Yeah, do with that information what you will, but it's just because it's going to appear in the vlog, and it's going to go back to being brown when you get to see the New York Comic Con vlog next week. But without further ado, let's head down to London where we've got the Running Man premiere.
And we have just got off the train and arrived in Houston for the Running Man premiere. Let's get to Lester's plan.
Is it ready? Andrew, I got wheelchairs, aren't I? Just take them down to Ash.
And there we go. We are ready and waiting. Right, and we are in the spot, ready to go.
So we've had word, no Brolin. We've got Lee, Glen, Colman and Edgar, just the 4 guests. So, a bit disappointing not to get Brolin, but it is what it is. I'll get him at a convention eventually, but yeah, now there's really loud music.
We got some Arnie bills ready to go.
Hi, okay. Haley, please, quickly.
I don't know where you want to sign anywhere. Can I get a picture as well, please? Any chance you can sign for me as well, please?
Grab that, man. I was going to say, can you use... I was going to say, I missed you at the panel, the security pulled me away. The whole pulled you away. Can I get a photo as well? Thank you so much.
Oh, you didn't swap the pen.
Sam?
I've got black pen.
Hi, okay, Edgar. Thank you. Can I just say, Baby Driver's the film that got me into cinematography and everything, so thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Can I get a quick photo as well, if that's okay? Oh, it's mine. Thank you. Okay, just... Oh. Fuck the pen. Thank you so much, man.
Take your spot.
Hi, okay, Colman. Could I get you on this as well with Bobby? I love Fear the Walking Dead, man. It's brilliant. Thank you. Thank you, man. Can I get a photo as well? Thank you so much. Yeah, you can use the pen if you...
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you, Colman. Have a great rest of your night. You too.
Pick your spot. What about the currency?
Okay, well, the stars and all of their guests are London. I want you all to count down with me, okay? We're going to go
Amelia! Amelia!
3,
Amelia!
2, 1. Yeah!
Amelia! Fuck me. Amelia! 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 Yes, 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 yes. Amelia! Amelia! Amelia, please! Amelia, please! Take some. Come on. Thank you, bro. Oh, shit. Give me some more. Thank you. Part 2 of Will keeping large vinyl banners from premieres. We've just took a Running Man one, which is about the size of fucking that thing. It's massive. Quick in and out job. We're bringing our oversized banner back to our car. Literally, we left for London at 1 o'clock today, and it is now 10. We are home. We had a successful day. Now, I have already looked through my glasses and I fucked up Glen, which is frustrating because I showed him the Batman poster and he was like, oh my God, this is so cool. Obviously, I was a small part in this movie, so I'm not on the poster, but I'll gladly sign it for you. And he rolled it out to take a look at what he was signing. He was like, this is fucking really cool. And he was such a nice bloke, took a photo with me. Obviously, you'll see the result. The problem is the paper doesn't take to ink the best. It is there, you can see it, but when I get this framed, I am going to have a light shining on it to like project the autographs. But the gold hasn't shown up very well. But I'll show it you nonetheless, and I'm still super happy to add him to it. But I'm going to drive home and I'll catch you when I get back. Yes, guys, we are back after the premiere, and I have checked through the footage and I did miss the signing with Glen, which is absolutely gutting. However, I have watched the video recording of our selfie and you can see a bit of his reaction to the poster. It's so annoying because it was such a good interaction and Glen was super nice, but it is what it is. These things happen at premieres. You're in a rush. He was overlapping with, I think it was Edgar or Lee. I can't remember, but it was in a very short space of time. So yeah, but let's get to showing you the items, starting with the Running Man poster. Firstly, here is our Running Man quad. Hunt him down, and we got Edgar Wright and Colman Domingo. We even got character name of Bobby T in silver pen, and this looks incredible. A great start to poster. I am going to wait to see how the movie does, if I enjoy it or not, before deciding whether I'm going to sell this or not. The most likely outcome is I do sell it, because as you guys will know by watching the channel, I have way too many posters. But if this movie is an absolute banger, you never know, it could end up staying in the collection. But super happy to meet Edgar Wright and Colman Domingo. Here is the Dark Knight trilogy poster in all its beauty, and you can see Glen Powell down there. Obviously, it isn't the most clear signature, but I am going to have a light shining on this poster when I eventually frame it. But it is still such a good signature to add, because obviously he does cameo in this movie and he is a rarer signer. But I'm super happy with it nonetheless, and I can't wait to add many more names to this poster throughout the years, as many cast and crew as possible. Hopefully one day Christopher Nolan, hopefully one day Christian Bale, Liam Neeson, Tom Hardy, Aaron Eckhart. There's many names to add, but yeah, this poster is coming along great, and Cillian Murphy. And here is one of the main pieces we got signed. Our Invincibles limited print we picked up at New York Comic Con that we got signed by Lee Pace. I was originally going to go for silver on this poster, but he took my mate's white pen, and I can't complain, it looks really good. So we're going to go for white on this poster, and I am going to be taking it to German Film and Comic Con in December, where I am going to add Aaron Paul onto this poster. Obviously, Lee Pace plays Frag in the new season, which obviously hasn't come out yet, but there's plenty of black space all around. I'm going to pick a fine white pen and try to add as many cool cast members to this poster as possible, because the poster itself is absolutely insane. But yes, that is it for the Running Man premiere. I'm so glad I managed to make it down to another premiere before the end of the year. And if you guys did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and any help towards that is greatly appreciated. Lee Powell was so cool to add to the Dark Knight poster, even though it's not showing up the best on the paper. It's just the nature of the paper, really, and the pens. I am going to try and find a better pen for it, but I don't really think there is one out there, because the Eddings are just really good. Super nice. Lee Pace, great. Edgar Wright, so glad to meet one of my favourite producers ever, and as I said to him, he's the man who got me into this. Baby Driver is the film that
really got me into the way movies are made, the callbacks, the references, the cinematography, the beauty of filmmaking. So glad to be able to meet him. And then Glen Powell again, great. Colman, Domingo, The Walking Dead, super chill bloke, really nice. But yeah, a great prem nonetheless. Hopefully we get another one before the end of the year, but I obviously can't guarantee anything. But I've been Willfiveter. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and peace.